This is KZN's new offices. Still busy in the moving process. Say good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Say good morning, Tegan.
Good morning, Tegan.
A lot of space. This is going to be a display area. Visitor's office, which we still need to furnish. Boardroom, which we still need to furnish, but all of that in good time. The team's really excited. We've made a couple of sales already. So yeah, let's get cracking. So we're busy preparing our display area. Tegan, after such a good morning, say a good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
This is going to be our display area. Water cooler is going to go here in the corner, and maybe the bench. We'll see, but it's looking good so far.